Good afternoon, everybody. This is Kyle at Cawood Honda here in Port Huron, Michigan. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 Audi RS. Really good shape. All-wheel drive, fresh on the lot. RS3 Quattro. This thing is really quick. These mirrors fold in when you turn it off. Pretty neat. Body's in great shape. It has a clean Carfax. No damage or accidents reported. Take a look inside real quick. Got your power windows, power locks, leather interior, paddle shifters. I like the suede steering wheel. Very nice. Only 33,000 miles on it. Super quick. Very fun to drive. You have your moonroof here as well. Again, my name is Kyle at Cawood. 2018 Audi. Thank you so much.